Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to do a haul slash vlog video. So I got quite a bit of new clothes from Forever 21. And then I got some stuff from Amazon that I really wanted to show you guys. It's the morning time right now. So I have my green smoothie. And I have my coffee over there. And my dogs are just like begging to have a little bit of it. Sorry guys. I'm going to Mexico in the beginning of April for my best friend's wedding. So I wanted to get like a couple cute tops and some stuff that I can wear there. So first I got this cute cropped sweater and it has 3 photos of Polaroids on it. And I love the way these kinds of sweaters look with like jeans. So I got this in a size small. This is kind of hard to tell what it looks like, but it's like a cropped bandeau-ish black top with long sleeves. And it has like this little circle design that ties the front together. Dark denim jeans, but they just have like the pocket stitch designs. They're not like real pockets. Well, the back has real pockets, but they're like the bell-bottom jeans. And it's so cute. I used to wear these all the time back in the day in like high school and stuff, and now they're coming back. I've always liked these. Then I got this cute white top. So it just has 3 buttons in the front. And then it's pretty open, like a little cardigan look. But I love this top. I got this to possibly wear with those jeans too. This is all wrinkly because I took it out of the plastic it came in. This is a cropped like active sweater that you can wear when you're working out. So all the shirts I got are in a size small, and then the jeans or any bottoms I usually get in a size medium or 27. Then I got this really cute pajama set and it's super soft, but it's like striped design and that has like the lettuce. I think that's what they call it. But these are the bottoms. And then it came with a sweater. Like this set is so cozy. I can't wait to wear it. Got another kind of sleepwear set. This I got in a size medium. So it has like these brown shorts, same lettuce design. And then it came with a cropped kind of off the sleeve top. It's not as soft as the other one, but it's pretty comfy material. Then I got a pair of biker shorts, which I don't even know why I bought these. I swear I already have a pair like this, but I just forget and then get another pair. But you can never have too many of these. These are nice stretchy material. I got another pair of biker shorts, but these are more of like a cottony material. The other ones are more like of a spandex material. Then I got a pair of heels. So these are like a camel brown chunky heel. And I got these so I can wear to my friend's wedding. Super cute. I got a gray cropped sweater. I love these sweaters. And for the price of these, I feel like they're actually pretty good material. Like I still have a few from a long time ago that are still going strong. Got another sweater, but this one's more oversized. It's like a heathered gray sweater. And this one's a little bit softer on the inside. But I have so many of these sweaters, you can never have enough. And the last thing I got is this denim jacket, which is so cute. It's a little bit oversized, but I got this in a size small, and it has the animal design print collar, and it's super soft, like a nice fuzzy material. This would be really cute to throw on over like any kind of outfit. Okay, so I wanted to show you a couple things that I got from Amazon. So I'm still in school and all of it is online, so I have to stay organized. So I got this cute calendar that I can just set up on my desk. This is what the inside looks like. You can write in each little box, and then it has like a little to-do list on the side, which is pretty nice. And on the other side, it also has a bunch of little places where you can write. Then what was really cool about this is that it came with this little sticker sheet. It has little stickers that you can put in the little boxes. So like if you have a doctor's appointment, if you have an exam due. But yeah, that is this. It also, you can prop it up on your desk like this. I also got some pens because I needed pens to write notes and all that good stuff. Then since I'm always on my computer doing school stuff, I got some blue light glasses. And I don't know how I feel about these glasses. They don't sit as comfortably as I like them, but it came in a set of 3. So these are just the clear set. That's what these look like. I have used them while on my laptop and it has helped quite a bit. So these are the clear ones. Then it came with a black pair. I don't like the way I look in glasses, although I need real ones too. Then it came with like a printed pair. So this is the printed pair. And next I got a 100% pure mulberry silk mask. And this is what it looks like. So I got this because I have been breaking out so bad from wearing a mask at work. This silk mask, it doesn't like collect dead skin and it's pretty breathable, and I think that the dead skin buildup is the culprit of all of this acne. But it also comes with like this little piece that you can put inside of the mask, like a breathing filter, I think. And then it came with some metal pieces to put in the top to kind of adjust onto your nose. That's cool. And I like how it has like the adjustable straps so that you can tighten it or loosen it, whatever you need to do. Then I got a pair of gold hoops. So these are 24 karat coated gold hoops. And I think these are like this mini Natasha Jennifer Fisher hoops. And these are the pair that I got on Amazon. And it latches pretty good, so I won't have to worry about it falling off. So those are the pair from Amazon. They're not heavy either. They fit actually pretty nice. Ooh, I'm excited to wear these. And I will have all this Amazon stuff linked below. Okay, so next I got like these workout bands, and it's from the brand T Rich, but it comes with 3 different bands. So this is the medium band. It's pretty hard to stretch. This is the small band, which I have used already, and it works super good. It's like really strong material. And then it has the large size, which this one is like the hardest to stretch. And the last thing I got is this box of retainer brite cleaning tablets. It comes with 96 tablets, so it's a 3-month supply, and it kills 99% of common odor causing bacteria, removes plaque and tartar, cleans and brightens. So I just recently got the Invisalign from Smile Direct, but I have one little crooked tooth that I wanted to fix, and I actually want to show you guys what it looks like. I had braces growing up and they hurt so much more than what this is, but there's definitely good and bad, I would say, about this way of going for more straight teeth. It came in this box and they give you like a retainer case, and they give you like a lip balm, some teeth whitener, and then the Invisalign is actually in these little pouches. And then they gave you some of the fizzy things to clean the Invisalign, but these were kind of expensive, so I just bought the retainer brite on Amazon. And then it comes with like this little thing to pull them out because sometimes they're really hard to take out. But anyways, I was shocked how easy it was to do it. You just took molds of your teeth and then you sent it to them, and then they sent you if you were approved or not, and then they send you this whole case of your Invisalign. So this is what the Invisalign looks like, and they just pop right in. So I would say the main negative thing about these is when I first got them, the cut was like really, really bad. Like it even comes with like a little filer so you can file it down. I didn't know like how much to file it down. So when I had it in the first time, my gum lines and then my tongue hurt so bad just from scraping against this. But other than that, I think that it's super worth it, and I'm really excited to see the progress. So I'll keep you guys updated once it's all done. We have a bunch of chickens, and look at how many eggs we got over the weekend. Bowl is full. There's definitely over 30 in there. You guys want to go outside? Want to go outside? They love to be outside. Okay, so before I end the video off, I wanted to talk about a couple empties. And I actually really love sharing like empty products that I use, because then I can share if the product is actually worth it or not. And I love watching videos like these because one, I just feel super accomplished after I use a whole product. Two, I can decide if I really like it and if I'm gonna buy it again. So first, this is the Hask Tea Tree and Rosemary leave-in spray. And I did not really care for this. Like, I have super long and kind of, my hair is somewhat damaged because I get it balayaged all the time. So I would spray this in my hair to kind of detangle, and it didn't detangle my hair. And my hair still felt super dry after using this, so I probably won't be repurchasing this. Next, I finished up this KVD tattoo liner. And I swear like they reformulated it or something, but I only had this for like maybe a month and then it dried out, and I didn't even use it that many times. But it dried out super quick this time, which is really disappointing because this is one of my favorite liners. So I already know I'll be repurchasing it, but hopefully the next one I get doesn't dry out as fast. Next, I finished up this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. You hear that? That's the chickens. They're so loud. But I finished up this brow gel, and this is my favorite brow gel. I already have a backup of it. Then I finished up this Kanuka CBD Calming Eye Balm. So it's basically all gone. There's just like some stuff on the sides, but I did actually really like this eye balm. The only thing is it took quite a while to use it because there's so much product in there, and it's a balm, so you don't need that much. But the reason why there's still so much in there is because like over time, the balms turned almost to like a little jelly. So it was really hard to, like, it wouldn't even melt. So that's just like that leftover stuff that won't melt. But I did like it. I don't know if I'll be repurchasing it because I have so many other eye creams that I want to use, but if it's on sale or something, I might. Then I used up this Sephora Coconut Lip Balm. Like, I dug through it to get more out. I actually really did like this. It was super hydrating and I love the scent of coconut. Probably won't be buying it again though because there's a bunch of other lip balms that I like. Then I finished up this travel size high potency Nitamins night cream from Origins. I really do like this night cream, and I already do have a tub backup of it, so I will definitely be using this again. Still have a little bit left of this one, so probably about 2 more uses, but I just thought I would share it anyways. So this is the Shea Moisture Revive and Brighten Body Wash. Now, I didn't really like the scent of this. It didn't really have a scent. It kind of had like a fruity scent, but it was super subtle, and it wasn't like the best smelling fruity scent, but it wasn't terrible. I liked how it had like the little exfoliating beads in it, but it didn't really like lather up as much as I wanted it to. Like, I would use it and I'd feel like that I have to keep using it because it didn't seem like it was washing as much as I wanted it to. So I probably won't be buying this one again. I also finished up the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser Hydrating Serum Cleanser, and I actually really did like this. I'll probably buy it again later in the future, but I have so many other cleansers that I need to use first before I buy another one of this, but it wasn't terrible. And the last thing I finished up was this Skin Fix Resurfacing AHA Renewing Body Cream, and I actually really like this. Like, I struggle from super dry skin on like the back of my arms and then my legs and then on my back. I don't know, I just have really dry skin. But when I ran out, the texture on the back of my arms started coming back, and I'm assuming because I don't have this cream anymore, so I will probably repurchase this again after I use up other body creams that I have. And I love the scent of it. It's like a super subtle lemony lime scent. Oh, I also used up the, forget what it's called, but it's this shampoo and conditioner from Shea Moisture. I'll put a photo of it, but I already tossed it. But I actually really enjoyed that shampoo. The conditioner was okay, but the shampoo was like my favorite. I'll definitely be repurchasing it again. It just lathered up so good when I was like washing my scalp area. So I really, really liked that shampoo. Anyways, that is everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It'll help me so much, and I will see you in the next one.